Let's make a clay mask. I'm using the detox clay mask powder from my website, and we're going to detox this hair. When you use a clay mask, you do not need to shampoo your hair. And normally I don't do a deep conditioner after this clay. I just go straight to styling.
This clay blend contains 3 different types of clays and other powders such as neem, areca, and shikaikai.
You can add essential oils to the mix.
I like to add peppermint, tea tree oil, lemongrass, cedarwood, rosemary, lavender.
About 5 to 10 drops. And I'm also going to use apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar balances the scalp pH, removes product buildup, reduces frizz, adds shine, and helps to fight scalp conditions.
Then I will add water and then mix.
You can also add other types of waters, juices, or even hydrosols to your clay mask. For example, rose water, coconut water, aloe vera juice.
I'm going to add more water.
The amount of water or liquid you decide to add to your clay is up to you. It depends if you like a more thicker or thinner consistency. I prefer a thinner consistency, so I add more liquid to the blend. And this clay blend is very easy to make. You just need the powder, a liquid or liquids. In this case, I used water and apple cider vinegar. You can add oils. You can literally add whatever your hair likes or needs.
I like to focus mainly on the scalp.
Going back to the things I add to my clay mask, personally, I don't like to add carrier oils. I only add essential oils. I've tried in the past to add oils like avocado, hemp seed, but whenever I add a carrier oil, I find it harder to rinse off the clay mask from my hair. I first apply the clay mask on my scalp, and then any leftover I apply on my hair strands. In this case, I had to make more because I ran out of clay mask. I like to use clay masks every 6 to 8 weeks, and when I'm not using clay masks, I just make a shampoo or I buy a shampoo. This clay mask detoxifies the hair. It has antibacterial properties and lifts oils and product buildup from your scalp and hair without stripping your hair of its natural oils. In addition, it deposits moisture back into the hair, which promotes a healthy environment for healthy hair growth. Clay masks also strengthen the hair, enhance hair definition, helps to treat scalp conditions, and add shine. I like to apply the clay on my scalp and massage the clay into the scalp, which is highly beneficial for improving blood circulation, enhancing product absorption, and promoting relaxation. And you also deserve a scalp massage. It's so good for the scalp. Don't forget to section your hair. It's much easier to apply the product. Sectioning the hair ensures even distribution, prevents missed spots, and reduces tangles and breakage. Talking about tangles and breakage, make sure that your hair is detangled before applying any clay mask. I detangle my hair with the NQ gel as my pre-poo step. And once again, I would like to highlight the importance of detangling your hair and doing pre-poo treatments. Pre-poo treatments do not need to be expensive. You can use flaxseed gel, fenugreek, okra, chia seeds. It can be very cheap, but detangle your hair before applying any cleanser to reduce tangles and breakage. Even though these natural ingredients are cheaper than detangling products, they're very good. They're very good for the hair. They detangle the hair. They're very good for the hair. Do not underestimate the power of using natural ingredients and herbs on your hair. As you can see, I like to rub the clay mask between my hands before applying on my hair. Don't rush this process and be gentle to your hair. And as you probably know, I love herbs. I love using herbs on my hair. and my skin. I love herbal hair care and skincare. Herbs are so gentle but so powerful, and they provide nutrient rich nourishment to the hair. But you need to know which herbs and powders work for your hair. For example, my hair loves henna, but some people cannot handle. So you need to know, and you need to balance strengthening herbs with moisturizing herbs. You can also apply it on your face and body. I like to leave the clay mask on my hair and face for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I don't really like to let it fully dry, but sometimes I'm doing things around the house and I tend to forget. Don't be like me. Personally, I don't find it difficult to rinse off the clay mask when it's fully dry, but I would especially if you are a beginner, I would recommend to not let it fully dry, because to some people a fully dried clay mask is extremely hard to rinse off. I just love clay masks. Here's the final result: define, shiny, no frizz, clean hair. A lot of people use clay masks before they do a wash and go because of the hair definition that clay masks provide. Would you try this clay mask? If yes, comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.